To connect your ledger to Robinhood, start by ensuring you have a Robinhood account and a Ledger hardware wallet. Open the Robinhood app and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. Tap on the transfer option and select deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin. Next, go to your Ledger Live account on your computer and ensure it is updated to the latest version. Plug in your Ledger device and unlock it. In Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts section and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Click on Receive and copy the address. Return to the Robinhood app and paste the address into the Deposit section. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. It may take some time for the transaction to be processed and the funds to appear in your Robinhood account. It is essential to note that Robinhood only supports a limited number of cryptocurrencies, so ensure the cryptocurrency you want to transfer is supported. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with transferring cryptocurrency and the minimum transfer amount. To ensure the security of your transaction, always verify the address you are sending to and never share your Ledger recovery phrase or private keys with anyone. It is also recommended to enable two-factor authentication on your Robinhood account for added security. By following these steps, you can securely connect your ledger to Robinhood and start transferring cryptocurrency. Always prioritize security and be cautious when dealing with cryptocurrency transactions.